A war day number 665. Yes, 665 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed. Yes, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, December the 20th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. One of the regular puzzle I've already solved a minute ago, the medium Sudoku. And we have the second regular puzzle, the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me continue with this one. The Jigsaw Sudoku number 7653. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. Could be a 1 star. Could be a 2 stars. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Is this a 2 stars puzzle or is this a 1 star? I don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Can't see any single boxes. How about the dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about the triple boxes? Then we have here triple box, here. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 3 is already given, so those 2 boxes will be a 1 and a 2. And here I need more information. And yeah, I need to wait. How about here then? This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left with 3. In this triple box should be here. The 1 and the 2 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 4 here in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Okay. Now, the following question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Let me check. Quadra boxes. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the Z construction. We have here the Z construction. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. The Z construction. Only one Z construction in this puzzle. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, let me draw this here. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. One upside down. This box has the same number as that box. We have more. No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this box? This shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, and that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Done. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 5, but also that box can be a 5. We have a 5 here. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We already have a 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. This box, the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I think this box will be a 3. Yeah, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area should be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. And this box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes around the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be down. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. In this triple box, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Need a 1 here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. We have a double 2 there and a double 3 there. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes in this Z construction. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 3. So 1 box left in this Z construction for number 1 is connected with that box. Should be also 1. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left, 1 numbers 1 and a 4. Let me mark those 1 and a 4 is connected with that box, should be a 1 and a 4. But we already have a 1 here. Can it be a 1 anymore? Should be a 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then this box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Then let me think. How about here then? These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 3 is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 2. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1 is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2, the only place left for 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3 is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. I marked those 2 boxes with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark. Oh, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. is connected with that box should be so 3. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes, but I need 2 seconds more. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with other puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.